The Matheson VPX Series Switchover is a cost-effective way to provide continuous flow from isothermic liquefied gases where maximum delivery pressure is desired. The selector valve handle will point to the primary side. The maximum temperature for this system is 110 degrees Fahrenheit due to the 200 psi gauges. The cross-purge feature provides effective purging during cylinder changes and is also intended for use with high purity applications where preventing contaminants such as atmospheric moisture and oxygen is critical. It should be cycle purged multiple times to remove atmospheric moisture and oxygen. You could purge through the entire system if desired. Now purge out the left side. The cross-purge has quarter-turn diaphragm valves which allows for quick activation and provides visual ID of open or closed status. The color-coded handles also serve as a visual aid in process control. You'll need to supply 50 to 100 psi of clean dry nitrogen. The check valve prevents process gas backflow into the purge gas. For the ultimate in purity, you can use the process gas to purge out the nitrogen purge gas. Open then close the cylinder valve to pressurize the cross purge and then vent out the pressure. You can do this multiple times. Now repeat for the left side. A 100-pound propane cylinder has a maximum flow rate of 100 standard cubic feet per hour. Higher flow rates will collapse the headspace, thus cooling the cylinder and lowering the vapor pressure. Open the red-handled isolation valves after the purging is complete. Set the delivery pressure on the line regulator. When gas starts to flow from the line regulator, you'll see the pressure go down. This is normal and is called droop. Delivery pressure will decrease when the flow increases. For our propane VPX switchover, the gas will flow from the primary side until the cylinder drops to 10 psi below the secondary side, and then gas will start to flow from the secondary side. The selector valve handle is then turned fully to the left side, which will make the left side the primary side. This is when the empty cylinder is replaced with a full one. Close the red-handled isolation valve during a cylinder changeout. You'll need to purge out the process gas before changing out the empty cylinder. Purging with an inert gas will remove residual process gas before changing out cylinders. You can purge through the cylinder connection during changes to keep out atmospheric contamination. For the ultimate in purity, you can use the process gas to purge out the nitrogen purge gas. Open then close the cylinder valve to pressurize the cross purge and then vent out the pressure. You can do this multiple times. the Matheson VPX Series Switchover system.